Howdy folks, welcome back to another episode of Circle C Ranch Pond Build. You see that muddy hole over there? It extends all the way back clear over and down into right there. I've got the trackhoe set up right there, and I've got the dump truck there that I'm about to back down into that road. We're going to start moving some of this massive pile of mud. So thanks for being here to help today. Well, I have messed up here. So I didn't have enough red dirt brought in here, and I got a load on this truck, and I broke the surface. Look at that. Just shoved it right out from under it. Both sides. Buried. So, new game plan. Can't let little things in life like this mess your day up. So I'm going to have to haul a lot more of this red dirt in and build this up where it's a bit more level. So I'm not having to pull up a hill. We're going to get this out of here first. I think I'm going to dump that load of dirt, and then I can use the trackhoe to push that out. At least that's my game plan. Ooh, look at them holes. But we got her out. Wondering why I keep backing all the way back into the hole with the bed up. It's because my PTO cable broke. And I have to use this rake to reach under there and push the lever back to dump the bed. I've got a new cable, I just need to take the time to put it on, but while it's dry, I'm not playing in the mud. You know the old saying, make hay while the sun shines? Well, I'm making dirt while it's not muddy. Check this out, guys. Look at that big old pile of mud right there. There's probably 200 tons of it. Look at it just sliding down and around that bucket. That's what I dug out the other day and just piled up from in the bottom of the pond full of water. So it is an absolute soupy mess. But I gotta move it. One bucket at a time. Swamp rats today. a soupy mess. Look at that mess, but look at that addition to the pond we've just made. Whew, not sure if I can even get out of here now though. Well, I have stuck old Smokey for the umpteenth time today. Got a little too close to the back edge, loaded it down, went to take off, and she went down instead of forwards. And then I was getting situated to get in behind it to push it out and ran out of diesel in the trackhoe. So I guess that's it for this week. Pretty, ain't it? Set right down on the axle again. But we now have a lot more pond. It used to stop right about there, right over to about where that log is, and right across into that line right there like that. So now we have all of this, and this that I'm standing on, this area right here is going to end up being the island with water all the way around it. So we're probably, 60, 75 feet now from here to there, and about 125 from there over into that corner. Appreciate y'all coming along for the ride again. We'll see you on the next one.